Yeah, I got
Girls, beautiful. Love it. Done. You ready to go? Oh, I might just half off the day, mate. Amped up.
It's a bit louder on these microphones.
No, it isn't. No, it's not.
Oh, you like that noise?
No, I can hear you. It's just that you couldn't hear you before.
When you yell with excitement.
I know, I can't help it. It's such exciting football, mate.
You will think about my ears, will you?
Wow, you only need it for another couple of years. You won't go put
I'm
you away.
I'm having an ear test next week.
Why? Never made you.
Well, you're yelling in my ears all the time.
You never listened before. Don't need. What do you need your ears for? Okay, now this is going to be a good game. There's a lot of potential scorers in both these teams. So it's this girl out here. The what's her number out here again?
22.
20.
Which one?
Where is she? Might be here. It is. She's in the front. She plays on the front line.
In the front line?
There, on the defense line on the kickoffs.
All right.
In the front four. Okay, we're about to make kickoff here. We've got a girls, a lot of talk going on. Waiting for the hooter to blow to start the game. Is this the semi-final or is this the third?
Well, I think so.
This is the third and fourth. And after a great weekend of football, these girls have performed brilliantly. They can't get the ball to stay on the tee though.
Oh, there you go. That's gonna
go. There they go. That solved the problem. And boom! Oh, it's gone 10 meters. Oh,
for the penalty.
Oh, bad luck, girls. There was a bit of trouble with that tee there. And they couldn't get it, so she tried to hurry it up after restacking it a couple of times, and then she miskicked it and gave away a penalty, unfortunately. Never mind.
Tap.
Let's get over it. Forget about it.
Yeah, there you go. Tap.
Oh, they do.
Big girl.
Girls.
How much yardage they gave you?
Yeah. Girls sometimes struggle to get the ball into touch from centre halfway.
Yeah.
So maybe a tap is appropriate. That's number 4 here. She's very, very good runner. Oh, what a ball! Out to number 12. She scored the first try in the last game she played. She ran off the back of the scrum. Yeah, number 12. When 24 is not there, that's the one I was looking at. Before she could be NRLW representative, I reckon. 24, it's got potential. But I don't know, she might be injured. Here we go. The tap kick off a little penalty there, an infringement there, but pushing hard into the line, number 13. Got that list over there. Just keep blacking at their names there. Oh, another penalty. Giving away a few little niggly sort of penalties. No. Okay, they're attacking the line. A bit of a high tackle there. Dragged it down from behind, but there they go. Get up, play the ball on the first tackle. Shifting out to the left. Running hard. She got the ball away to number 2.
Really good offload, man.
Hannah McLean.
Hang on. What's the ref doing?
What's he doing?
I don't know.
It's a try, mate. That's a try every day.
Oh, okay.
Hannah McLean.
Well, you never know. You never know because they don't really
McLean.
get in there
Hannah
and
McLean.
point to the ground and put his hand up or something. Ruahine for Taranaki Tuturu 0.
Okay, well, I'll write that down here.
Yeah, do that, Terry.
Put a 4 there, and the kick to come, and that was good little try there to Hannah McLean, and I think it was Kennedy Screen who offloaded the ball. I'm not too sure. If I get that wrong, don't yell at me.
Hang on. Oh,
20,
I don't
21.
think she got
Oh no,
that.
it might be Evelyn Arnold.
It's 4-0.
4-0. Never heard a whistle, so we go with that 4-0 to Ruahine. And
Did you get the number of the one that scored the try?
yes, this one here, Hannah
McLean.
She scored a 4-pointer, and the kick was missed. And I think the offload came from 21, Evelyn Arnold. She drifted across here, the one in the black shorts.
All right.
Was that a 7? 21 or 27? Oh, it's hard to say. It looked like it's a 1 with a little bit of a little quick at the top.
Here we go.
Okay, that's a better kickoff. Better than the last one. Oh, not on. There we go.
Well, there's one thing, Terry. While it's a little bit windy and cold, it's not wet.
No, it's not. It's perfect conditions, however. So in the first kickoff, we had a little mistake there by the kicker, and they got a penalty. This time they kicked off again, and this time we got a mistake from Ruahine, a little knock on by the receiver of the kickoff, and it gives them the ball 40 meters out from the line. Here we go, shifting the ball through the back line. The pass is slightly behind the player, but they've correct. Oh, nice ball there. That was a nice pass. It was right out in front. You had to run onto it. Yeah. Beautiful. And the dummy half run here, just for the second tackle. Gone in, good 10-meter gain. Gets up and plays the ball. Nice. Yes, big
girl, big runner.
And what's her num? What's her num? She's centered it up. Nice. They go back to the blinds. Oh, they come in the same way. Here we go. Well, stepped off her right foot. Wow.
Just short of the line.
She's down 2 meters short. Shifts the ball out. Oh, she's in. Oh, well done, girls. Good setup. You've got good try there. No, you're in the wrong team. Yeah, you're over here.
That was number 10, Siobhan Paulata. That was the number 10.
Mm-hmm. Well, that was good. They got the error from the kickoff, and they had a scrum 40 meters out. Shifted the ball out with a beautiful ball in the centres there to make some yardage down the left-hand side. Drew the ball back towards the goal lines, and then a little power run towards the left-hand upright and scored.
Yep.
So well done to them. Tuturu kick and she missed a goal. Oh, no, never mind.
Just
it's all good.
That breeze.
So it's 4-4, girls.
I think I'd have been a little bit closer to the.
And did you think it was Siobhan scored that?
Yeah, I think so.
Siobhan Polata.
We'll give it to her anyway.
Yeah.
I'm sure if it was wrong,
it's your fault.
The try scorer will forgive us.
She will come up here and say, hey, I scored that try.
Yeah.
Oh, Arfina's back on. Hi, Arfina. Yeah. Okay. Who's Vic? Shot Vic. Vicky somebody. Righto. And it is Ruahine to kick off. This time it goes down to the winger. And it is, they bring it back strongly. That's number 4. She's good. Oh, she lost the ball in the tackle. Strip. 2-man tackle. I thought it was. No. Can't have been.
Yeah, he's saying that. Look.
Did he?
Yeah, he's saying
I thought it was 2.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
2 in the tackle. and they stripped the ball out, so it's a penalty to Tuturu. Ruahine, unlucky. It could have been a very close thing, but it looked like there was another hand on the ball carrier when the ball was stripped out. Okay, Tuturu to kick to touch, pushed it down towards halfway, and
Let's go.
they will restart the game with a touch, 10 metres in the field of play, bringing their defensive line up. Oh, no, they're not at halfway yet. They're about 30 out. Oh, good fend. Whoa, look at her go. A big fend there. She went down to the tackle on
Breaking her
halfway.
ankle or something.
No, she's all right, number 12.
Number 12.
Yeah. Okay, they're tackled on halfway now. Looks like they've got a bit of a back line out to the left there. Goes to the 5'8". Little dummy run to
No,
the...
she ran behind it, though.
No, she was all right. She was outside.
Okay.
Got to be outside that outside shoulder, mate. Here they come. They're bringing it back over to the right-hand side of the field now. Dummy inside. Dummies run straight into
They
number
kept on
6.
our right, far side there.
Yeah, that number 6 don't miss many.
Mm.
She's a bit of a leader, that team. Oh, would have been a penalty there. Shot out from from marker pretty quickly.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
So they're playing on, so that's all good.
We've got last tackle here. They played. Oh, that's a. Yeah,
Knock on,
yeah.
Yeah.
She played it incorrectly. She played the ball forward. We've got the same signal as you normally get. But they put a foot on the ball, but the ball travelled forward and it must travel backwards. Might have a little trick in that when you're playing the ball, eh?
Yeah.
Roll it back and bring it forward again.
That's right.
Are you allowed to do that today?
No. They
Number
don't
20.
muck around with
Number
the
20
play.
there for Ruahine, charging the ball up strongly. That was Nikki Cartini.
Big kill.
Nikki
very
Cartini.
good,
Oh,
mate.
good tackle. Is that number 4?
All right, nice low tackle, one over the top. That's good.
Wow. Here's my number 12. Oh, they dropped the ball. Sorry, girls. Juicy. You know what's her name?
Brucey.
Juicy.
Justice.
Justice.
Yes.
Green. What's she rated to Ted Green? Remember Ted? Strongest man to ever beat the world. Beat an arm wrestler.
Yeah. He used to be
Arm wrestler, yeah.
arm wrestler.
He
Yeah.
worked down the works.
Yeah.
Well, that girl that's on there, that number 12, what
She a
related to him, she's a green. Well, apparently, according to this.
Yes.
And she's quite tall, rangy girl, much like Ted used to be.
Very strong man.
Yeah, he was supposed to go to the World Championship arm wrestling,
Arm wrestling competition.
but he wouldn't get on the airplane. He wouldn't fly. He was too scared of flying. Yeah, he was the New Zealand champion, but he wouldn't go. Oh, wait, I'm not getting on none of those airplanes there. There she is again. Just made that tackle there. Number 4.
Oh, yeah.
Might be one of Ted's muckles. Anyway, she just made another tackle. That's 2 in a row. With Justine, is it?
Hop off. She got penalised there.
No, she's all right. Off. Oh, a bit of a falcon. Knock on by Tuturu onto the head of Ruahine, girl number 10, and back into the arms of Tuturu. And the referee has given his normal signal, which is
Up in the air,
up in the air. And he's calling the scrum, and it's going to go Ruahine ball because the initial contact was off
the other side.
Tuturu.
Hello, look at this. Yep, Ted Green is our mum's dad. There you are.
Oh, thank you for that info.
Yeah. Much respect for that man.
You should know him well. Yeah.
Oh, well done.
Strongest man in New Zealand. Anyway. Did you know he didn't like flying? He's supposed to go to the USA to the World Championship with Gary Topping.
Come back to the game.
I'm just telling him a bit of history,
Yeah,
mate.
no,
A bit of
lovely.
history.
It's lovely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good memories of a great
Well,
person.
that's how I sort of saw put a connection there with a nice,
And you were right.
strong build.
Come
Tall.
on, look at that nice little run there.
Hmm.
Skating to find pick up people backing up.
Okay,
When
here we go.
When someone's running forward, you got to run forward. Don't stand there and watch
Well,
it, admire it.
there's a
Where's
nice attacking flow there by number 20.
20?
And halfback with the ball now. She's running, drawing defender, steps inside and is taken down 10 metres out from the goal line. Which way we're going to go here, girls? They're going to go out to the right. Oh. That's a knock on by Tuturu. It's a play on situation.
Pushing each other around.
Yeah. I'm sure there's a little blasphemy going on in there.
Yeah. Could you please let me go?
Oh, number 2. She's got a bit of a break here.
Number 1.
Oh.
Kelsey Walsh-Tito.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, that's not Ruahine. I'm sorry.
You're in the wrong team, bro. We're talking about
Kahui. Yeah.
And here we go. She gets up, plays the ball, meet her out, diving for the line. They hold her up. Well done, Tuturu. You held her up. Fair enough. Oh, got the same signal again.
Yep. Well, he's got it right though.
Yeah, man. And we're going to have was that the last tackle? It could be the last year. Could have been the 5th and final.
Mm-hmm.
And we will play the ball. Tuturu bringing the ball out to restart the game 10 metres off their own line. Oh, no, it can't have been the last tackle. They had to bring back and play the ball. There she goes. Tej Moko. Oh, number 1's getting involved too now, isn't she?
Yeah, well, that's good to see.
Kayla Rose. Kayla Rose.
A little bit wider on the ruck.
Oh, little chip kick over the back.
Yes.
Oh, nice offload.
Oh,
she stepped out. That was our young McLean again. Hannah McLean. She nearly scored a second try, but she put her foot on the line there in front of the touchy. Okay, so we're going to bring the ball out on the last. That was the last tackle, so it'll be a turnover. Tuturu ball, 10 metres in and 10 metres out from the line. There goes one of the Berry girls, Shannon Berry. You're just seeing everyone here today. People going by, hey, hello. Right, toe drive, big strong drive, 20 and 22 in there. Whoa. Not a cartoony. These cartoonies, they make half the team down here. They're all good players too. Yeah, they're a good tackle.
She got out from number 20.
Okay, moving the ball across. They're getting it a bit tight down here. Get that ball out of there, girls. A couple of dummy half runs. Scoot.
Well, they're moving up on them fast.
Yeah, the defense is quite strong.
Yeah, it's good. It's
always been right there. Look at that's good. Cool moving here.
Wow. Keep going with it.
Pop. Yep. They're still going.
Fresh legs here.
Wow. Look at that. That's good football.
Yeah.
Oh,
it was a 15.
Must be in the last. Oh, what happened here? Oh, it's one of these.
One of those. Is it forward?
I'm not too sure what it means.
Knock on. Must be.
It's a scrum.
Why didn't he put, like...
It must be a...
You lift your arms up and then
down.
You put them together and you go down and that's a scrum.
Yeah, it's a scrum. Ruahine ball, so it must be a knock-on by Tuturu. Unlucky, because that was a good sweeping movement that carried them out of trouble. But they're just inside their own half now, Tuturu, and it's a scrum win to Ruahine.
Number 21.
Good lay.
Oh, she's a powerhouse.
She's got that, leg cadence.
Yeah.
Very fast twitch. Oh, this is the last movement of this half. It's going out there. Still alive.
She's still going.
12's trailing on there. 12's trailing.
They lost the ball.
Still go. Oh, 12's got a.
Does he reckon
that'll be half time, I'd say.
Yeah.
He went like this. Yeah, half time. So we've got a 4-all school line.
What?
4-all school line. So
Which is pretty tight game.
righto, we've got to make a few predictions here. Now, what do you see? What do you see formulating there, Howard? In the second half, we've got a little breeze south to southerly blowing, which will favour Tuturu in the second half.
So what you're saying is
a little
that
bit
people
more
who've got the wind behind them should kick more,
Well,
keep them down on their own.
it is an advantage. It is, yes.
It is.
You could just nudge one down in the corner. Don't kick it too far, though.
It just looked like there was a bit of fatigue going on too, like they played a lot of footy, so might be starting to make a difference.
Girls are playing. This is like a final for them. They're playing off a third and fourth.
Yes, I know that too. That's what I'm saying. They've
got to
put a lot into the game, and you got to recognise that.
Well, you just got to sacrifice.
Yeah. Well, if you want to win, you just got to put your heart and soul in it, don't you?
Just looking across at the tents on the other side.
Thank you, Charlie.
And there is a little bit of a breeze freshening.
So Charlie sent us a message. Kia ora, Nikki and Justice Green. Tioti Katini.
There we go. We're learning so much here. These people getting in
the lovely. That's
good information.
Green is our mum's dad. There you are, your granddad.
What a man.
Good
He used to work at the Waitara Freezing Works. Yeah, very popular man he was.
Yeah, good memories.
You get down the old tab with the old arm wrestling thing. No one could beat him, mate. Yeah. No one ever looked at like beating him. If you didn't bend your arm back onto that thing, you'd break your arm.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's all right.
They used to be down the. Where were we used to have them in the pub, eh?
Yeah,
the tavern, in Waitara. You get there and everybody would come in there. Like all the beef boners and all that. They have a strong ass. Yeah. You come and
have to get on the scales, get in your weight divisions.
Yeah.
Everyone trying to diet, get down a lot of weight. Hello.
Don't want to wrestle with them.
Too much smoke, oh boy. Sausages and egg every morning.
Yeah, well, actually, come back to the game. These girls are, like playing hard, just to actually.
Well, it's a playoff for third and fourth, so it's 4-all at half time, and I just think that Ruahine got slight advantage. They got maybe a little bit more penetration with the strong running forwards there, and but the one time that Tuturu did get down within range, they charged over there and scored relatively easily down there under the post. So. Want to keep them away from the line. If they can use the wind and get the ball down that end, they've got enough power in that team to get over the line. So maybe if they use the wind and just drop it over the back and let it roll down, chase hard and tackle.
Yeah. I'd actually make sure that they were kept down in their 20-metre line or their half of the field anyway.
Yes, it's going to be just we'll have to see just what the coaches have instructed them to do. And in this team over here, I'm just looking for a kicker. Yeah, maybe at number 6. Yeah. They're good ball players. They moved the ball around when they did have possession. They didn't have much possession. That was the problem. And get a good kick-off here, girls. Make sure it goes 10 metres. Good chase. And then tackle hard.
You kept that low, so that was the right thing to do. Oh, yes.
Well, there was definitely...
There was a knock-on by the green.
Yeah, okay. That's a fair result. There was a couple of knock-ons there. Here she goes. Here's this one.
There she goes.
She loves running. You got to get her legs, girls.
Yeah, she's...
You can't get both the legs, just grab hold of one. Here we go. Here we go. What do we got here? Number 12 was trailing along there. Look out for number 12. She's a powerhouse. Inside ball here. You watch. Oh,
she knew it was coming through.
Yeah, never mind. Little mistake, but never mind. They're trying to mix it up a bit.
Just play the basics, mate.
Mm-hmm. They were. They just drove it in there. I said, scrum, two defeat.
Who's number 20? Tell me.
4.
What?
Nikki Cartini.
Yeah.
For Ruahine, Nikki Cartini.
Really impressed with her running.
Yes.
Here we go.
Oh! Stepped inside. Good tackle there by Ted's Moko.
What's her name? Oh, little good get. Ooh. Good hit there. But he's been number 6.
Yeah, she's the leader of that side. Lynn Smith. Now, there's a good name, Lynn Smith.
Old school.
Yeah, good tackle.
Old school. Good run there. They're getting good yardage off there. Or meters, sorry. He's a big runner again. He goes all right. Oh, did you get hurt?
No. She's all right.
She's a big girl.
Yeah, I think that might be
nice. It's too good.
Oh, strong. Ooh. Get down there, she reckon.
Fierce.
And they're kicking. Yep, that's the tactic. Can't see the ball. Oh, no, well fielded. Down. Ooh.
Oh, they're keeping them, see?
Yes, that's what they got to do. They've got to tackle hard down here.
Yep.
You want fast play the balls, girls.
No, she's not moving up there, Terry. But good tackle.
There's a good front on.
One.
You can't do that, Gil. You can't lay on like that. Well, that's Rupa better. Is it? No, that's number 12.
Wow. She's tackled again, mate. Yes.
League speed there. That's our cadence. Pop.
Oh, watch out. There it is.
Taking the ground, a metre inside the touchline. Number 12. Oh.
Knock away there.
Oh, well done there. Look at that. Show her out.
Ooh,
good tackle.
Here they go.
One low, one over the top.
I'll push it wide if I could. Hurry up.
Yeah. Going sideways.
She got some pace though.
Whoa!
What are you laughing at?
Well, she ran 30 metres across the field and slapped.
Oh, he's a good run. Look at this.
Yeah,
look at this. That's
nice.
A beautiful run, that one.
Tuturu on the move. Looking dangerous.
Yeah.
I'm going to kick the ball downfield and pin.
Turn it inside.
There's
a knock on.
A little fumble there, but what the ref? Yes, the ref called a knock on.
He's got it.
I thought you might have regathered. Did she not regather? It's the old
looked that way, but
yeah. Did you think she regathered that?
No.
Before she kicked it, or I thought she had actually stretched out, regathered, ball dropped down, she kicked it. No. Okay. You know more. I can't see that far anyway.
Yeah. I just watched the referee and I agreed with him there.
Did you?
Yeah. The opportunities, the way that they had the ball, but then, just probably inexperience actually.
Yeah. Here we go.
There they go.
Ruahine with the ball. Nice dummy. Straightens up. Setting up. Forward's coming to wrap around.
There you go.
Going to wrap around the same way. Yeah, here they go. Stretch them out here. This girl can run. I saw her score a try yesterday. She was motoring. She skipped out of a tackle.
Keep him coming.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Good tackle. Okay,
Here we
dummy half
go.
in position number
Going back now.
7.
Let's see what they
There
do
we
with it. Push it wide.
Short ball there. Oh, she stepped inside 1. Still going. Fend off. Upstairs.
Yeah, here we go.
Look.
They got trouble now.
Boom. Oh, there's that right
Yeah,
there.
I told you. Good
She
tackle.
shoves that fend out, and that's the second one she's sat on that bump.
Yeah.
And
Let it
they'll
go.
be kicking. Oh, nice bomb. That'll hang up in the wind. Oh,
Got a bad bounce here, but here we are.
oh. Wow. Yeah, dang. She's an
She number
athlete.
7, man. She can play.
Number 5. Sophie.
That's number 7 I'm talking about.
Crystal Deegan. Oh, no, not
No,
Crystal.
Little Diggy.
Crystal D. Deegan. You remember that young fella Deegan? He used to bring me.
Oh,
With
good
a coach.
tackle.
Here
Good
she goes.
tackle
See
there.
what she run. Oh, she can motor that one.
Need to get the space though.
Yeah, well, she does.
Yeah.
Here they go. Building again. There's the second tackle. Offload.
I reckon they should
Oh, still going. She stepped out of that tackle.
just keep punching.
Oh, she's still going. 1, 2, 3, 4. They got her. What happened? High tackle.
Is
Must be one of these. Yep, it's one of these. Oh,
it's one arm. It's
Down.
one arm.
Down. Keep the tackle down, the ref said.
Oh, yeah. I see.
Okay.
There you go. Tap.
Now they're in a strong attacking position here.
There she go on. Good girl.
Here we go. This could be trouble.
Here she comes.
Look out.
Look
Watch
at
that
this one,
fin, mate. First tackle.
Struggling a little bit there.
Going left. 21's on the inside. Oh, clipped her ankle. What happened? Penalty. Penalty for something. It's one of these. Mustn't been back to required 10 meters. They're going to tap again, and here's 20 again. Watch the fend.
Here we
Left-hand
go.
fend, both.
Really impressed with her.
20, strong runner. Good left-hand fend. Tucks that ball under her right arm and block out with the left. Strong. Number 3.
Ooh.
Right in the corner.
That's good defense, man.
No, it was a...
She's short. She scored it. There you are.
That's a try.
Yeah.
And who is it? It's that little one again. That's the one that's good. That's what I was just talking about. It. She zapped in from dummy half. What's her name? Geez. That one there. No one's even going and congratulating her. She's just walking back all on her own like she sold someone's lollies. No, she's quick, all right. Snuck in from dummy half. Turn around, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, she scored a try under the goal yesterday. They were chasing her. 23's a number.
Oh, so it's 8-4 to Ruahine.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now that's for Evelyn Arnold. No, it ain't. Well, I can't see a 23 in their team, mate. Honestly. This is ridiculous. Why did I say Evelyn Arnold before? Did she score a try?
Maybe you
No.
take 21.
Yes, she did. She did. Okay. Well, we ain't got it. She ain't got a number on her 10 there. So I'm sorry, but she's been outstanding little player. Very, very fast.
What number is she?
She's number 23. And she's lightning quick. She got into dummy half there, only a metre from the line, but she was quick enough to pick the ball up and dive in the corner and score. And they missed the goal, so it's 8 points to 4. And the kickoff there, Tuturu kickoff. And it's taken by Ruahine. and safely done. Play the ball on the first tackle. And yes, this girl's good too. Good strong run as these girls. Anyhow, she gets up. Good quick second play the ball.
Keep
Here we go.
moving.
Where's number 20? She usually takes that pass, doesn't she?
Yep.
She must be hovering. So she's out a little. She's two passes wide.
No, that's number 22.
Oh, it is two. Yes.
Oh.
Parata. Number 23. Her name is Amelia Parata. There you go. Bit of acknowledgement there for a good little try there. Fast as. Only little. Must be pretty tough though. Playing out there amongst some girls, giving away a bit of weight to some of these girls here. But she's out there having a fun. Here we go.
Fun,
right.
eh?
Tuturu win the scrum.
Right.
Dummy one
Run
way.
hard,
Nice pass.
Yes. Off the shoulder. Good tackle though. Turn him, number 4.
Yeah, that's a greenie.
That's right.
A little bit of a juggle here with that loose carry. But she's
Cool, play the ball, ref. Come on.
Play the ball. Here we go. Number 8. Strong.
Poof, step. Boom. Yeah, that's what they need. A couple more runs like that. Just keep pushing to the right.
Yeah, I don't know if they're going to afford
Here it is.
22.
That's good.
Kiara. Bringing the ball back to the left now here. We've got a surging run.
She made good yardage.
20, number 12. Flicked her leg and up she went up.
Just grabbed her foot.
Oh, the loose pass there down at the 15.
Oh, the interfered with
that was a stylish little kick. It was sort of a little bit of a. So that kick went a little bit too far there, Howard. Maybe a tap on a 20-metre mark.
Oh, that's good attacking, mate. They're down there on their edge. What's the score again, Ned?
It's 8 points to 4.
8-4, eh?
Oh! Short kickoff and Sevens offloaded the ball in the corner. This could be a try. Oh, what a hit! What a tackle! Who was that?
I don't know.
That was a try for all money there.
She didn't look.
Oh, look at them moving the ball along the own goal line.
Yeah,
well done, girls. That was a tackle.
The tackle of the day.
Oh, mate, she took her into that river down behind that hedge there. Yeah, come across and got her.
What's that mean?
I don't know. He's making her play the ball game for some reason. Anyway, pick it up.
All right.
Run from dummy.
And 8-4 at the moment.
They take some risks, these girls. Passing in front of their goalpost. I think that's tackle 3 now, man. Well, that was a good cover tackle, mate.
No, tackle of the day, mate.
Tackle of the day.
Oh, nice gap there.
Yeah, she's there. Oh,
what happened? Nice.
Good speed. Oh, lovely. Yeah. Wow.
Oh, good work.
Good stuff. Yeah. They're just on halfway. They've gone 50 metres and 4 tackles. There she goes, Amelia. Yeah, Amelia Parata. Yeah, she's scored a try and she's
come on,
going hard. She'll go to dummy half here. She could
help you dummy half.
You watch it. She'll run from dummy half and score on the post.
No one was coming on to the ball.
Here she goes.
She ran.
Oh, sweeps it away.
Anybody.
Nice pass from dummy half. Little chip kick over the top, lands in the pocket.
She's a little beauty, this one.
Oh, well covered. Tuturu full on the loose ball. 15 metres out from their goal post. Oh. She's a stylish player. Number 5. She's very stylish.
I tell you, these girls will be sleeping.
Sophie Annie Rita Irving. Here we go. Kahui takes her down on the tackle. Oh, she's hurt her leg. Oh, calf muscle, knee.
Cramp, maybe.
Get up, girl. Get up, girl. You'll be right. Get up. Yeah, she's all right. She's all right.
Yep.
Yeah.
Doing what Sporty
Run loss.
Marshall did to me. Oh, look at no marker at dummy half.
It was a penalty.
Oh, it was a penalty.
Oh,
Ooh,
she
good
fended one
power.
off. That 13 and 7, one of their sisters. They just got the same sort of look about their style. 13, Cindy. Oh, Rupapera.
You pop it up. Yeah.
Play the ball quick. Nice.
Oh, nice play the ball. That's
Yes.
a good play the ball.
22 takes it in. Oh, 22 tackles it. Here they go. Oh, what
Yeah,
happened there? What
She
did-
pushed her. She might
What
have
they could have
penalised.
scored. Oh, there must have been a knock on it to play the ball. Oh, there was. The little fumble at the play the ball. Unlucky. They had numbers down that right-hand side there, and that would have brought the score back to 8 all if they had been able to get in there. But no, the referee was right on the
Spot.
ball. He had them keen eye. He had a keen eye, caught the fumble, and there was a scrum now with a feed to Ruahine. And they're going to get this ball back into the opposition half somehow. There's this girl. She made a lot of yards in her last one, didn't she? Yeah, she's still going. Good
Yeah,
15,
good
20
power
metre run.
runners,
Yeah,
eh,
she
you know?
is, yeah. Here we go. And good fend.
There's that
Another fend.
Someone's
Go
been-
low on her. You're in trouble. Okay, now they're back to halfway now. They're in 2 tackles. Dummy half is gone. Here goes Speedy. Poof, poof, she's gone. She's gone. She's going to go all the
Awesome.
way.
Awesome try.
Wow. If anyone deserved a try, it's been her. She's been pushing people off all day.
21, wasn't she?
No, here. Nikki Cartini.
Yeah.
Nikki Cartini. Well, that was a 40-metre burst down the left-hand wing. And, well, I think it was her. Was it? That looked like the same fend. And they just couldn't control her. She was too fast and too powerful with that
Was it that
left-hand
one? Evelyn?
fend.
Was it 21
No, it
or what?
was 20, I think.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh, well, I'm looking. Oh, no. Well, hang on. No, it must be 21, bro. Yeah, it must be Neville and Arnold. All right, back off. She went all the way. Scored in the corner. Oh, there it is. And that's the
End the
last. Well done.
Good
What a way
game
to
too.
finish the game, though. That was an exciting run down that sideline.
Oh, I see.
And
The final score was too?
the final score was 12 points to 4
Okay.
to Ruahine.
I don't know.
Oh, did they get it? Did you get it over?
No, they didn't.
I think it was 12. Well, all we needed was a win. So that meant that Ruahine finished 3rd, Tuturu finished 4th. Well done, girls. You've done yourselves proud. Oh, hang on. He hasn't. No, he
Oh,
they're going to kick off. Hang on, it's not over yet. Sorry, the referee went peep, peep, peep on his whistle. We thought
yeah.
it
I
was all
thought it
over.
was, yeah. How long he's got to go?
And then they said, no, there's another 2 minutes to go or something. Okay, oh, well, we can't, what have we done?
Here we go.
Turn that camera around, girl.
Come
Oh,
on.
yes, we've got,
Oh,
good
is it
pass.
forward
Good, here's
or-
this girl here. She's
Here it
causing
is.
causing
Here
a
it
lot
is.
of bother.
Ooh.
Well done.
Hang on, not finished yet. That's it. Well, another good game. Another good game of these
Oh.
ladies playing today.
Well, there.
Awesome. Really enjoyable, these games.
Well done. And now we're moving into the playoff for first and second. Finals is